The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 5 for Boost Mobile. So the Stylo 5 is now available at Boost Mobile as of today, July 1st. So Boost Mobile is the second carrier to carry the LG Stylo 5. So this is pretty cool. So the LG Stylo 5 at Boost Mobile is $199.99. So that's a pretty good price for this phone, spec wise and all that good stuff. Also, the Stylo 5 is $30 cheaper at Boost Mobile. Cricket has it for $229.99. Boost has it for $199.99. So yeah, if you guys get it this one right now, y'all guys can save 20% off the phone using USA 2019. So y'all guys get this phone for cheaper than what it is. So that's pretty cool. So here's the phone right here. It reminds me of the Stylo 4 in front of the phone, guys. So not much has changed in terms of design. I do like the wallpaper; they're very colorful and all that good stuff. So y'all gotta see that it has an 18:9 screen. There's your front-facing camera, your earpiece. Not sure what that sensor is. Probably a proximity sensor. I don't think it's a front-facing camera flash. I don't think. On the left side, you do have your volume buttons up and down. There's your stylus pen right here. That's what the stylus pen looks like for the Stylo 5 looks. It does look pretty nice. On the right side of the phone, you do have your power button, and it's available in platinum gray here. And also on the left side, your SIM card and SD card slot is also on the left side as well. So the battery is not removable. Alright, that's the right side of the end with the stylus pen. Pretty nice. On the back of the Stylo 5, y'all guys have the camera flash. It kind of reminds me of a Galaxy J series phone in terms of camera design, stuff like that. Your fingerprint sensors right here, LG logos right here, your speaker and stuff are at the bottom of the phone. So it's available in this silver color from Boost. So that's the only color that's available at Boost Mobile. So do keep it in mind, Cricket has two colors. They have the platinum gray and blonde rose. The blonde rose version is exclusive at Cricket. So it says here, introducing the LG Stylo 5 for big ideas and imaginations. A premium quality phone that provides all the tools you need to be productive, get creative, and elevate every experiences. This is what happens when the playfulness of the Stylo series meets the sophistication of a flagship smartphone. This is a budget phone, so this is not a flagship phone, so don't get it twisted. So the Stylo 5 has a 6.2-inch display. It's full HD plus display, 18:9. You do have a 13 megapixel rear facing camera flash, 21 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and with 9.0 Pi there on board, so that is a win. It also has 3 gigs of RAM. So it kind of reminds me of the Stylo 4 Plus in terms of specs. So it's not much has changed in terms of specs over the Stylo 4 Plus. It's basically a Stylo 4 Plus with Pi on it, basically what that is, and a bigger battery. So how it works, guys, you guys know how it works. Order the phone, wait for your phone to arrive, and pick a no contract plan and activate online. All the self-explanatory stuff there. So the Stylo 5, like I said before, has a 6.2-inch display, full vision 1080p display with stylus pen, a large edge-to-edge display with Full HD plus resolution, provides total immersion and a rich visual experience. Superior camera with auto-enhancing technologies. Take your best shot with a superior camera. Basic detection, autofocus, minimizes blur and capture with rapidly moving subjects with sharp focus. Powerful performance, fast and efficient hardware designed for higher gear productivity. Like I said, 3 gigs of RAM on board, 32 gigabytes of storage. You do have 16.32 gigs available to use at the box. So that's that. So they do give you the exact storage amount here, so that's pretty interesting. You can expand that storage up up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. You do have to get your SD card there. It does not come with one. Of course, you guys know it has the same processor as it did last year. Snapdragon 450 Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 1.8 GHz octa-core, so Snapdragon 450, same processor as last year. So it does have 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. So yeah, it does have a premium design with a smooth, ergonomic design and glossy finish. The solid files boast a luxe look without compromising functionality. I think the back of the frame, it's kind of like a glossy finish to it. Yeah, it does have a glossy finish to it, so it's probably easy to scratch the back of it like it was the Solid 4 from last year. So do keep in mind, I suggest you guys get a case for this phone. If you guys get this phone, get a case immediately, because the back will scratch easily. So keep that in mind. Alright, so get a case for this phone. Of course, you guys know it does have a stylus pen, of course. Right, doodle, sketch, and color with the LG Stylo 5 enhanced built-in stylus pen. The possibilities are endless. Also has Google Lens, of course, with the point of the lens and AI integration. No information is beyond your virtual reach. Google Lens provides instant details based on a single image. Just point and click to visually search, shop, scan, or translate. So that's a win. Google Lens is fucking awesome. I have it on my phone. It's a great app. It's worth checking out, and it's fun to play with. It also has DTSX 3D surround sound. DTSX provides an immersive sound experience with audio that seems to come from all directions. Your speaker is at the bottom of the phone, so there you have it. Of course, there's Android 9.8 Pie there. Android 9 adapts to you and how you use your phone, learning your preferences as you go. Your experience gets better and better over time, and it keeps things running smoother, longer. Alright. I think this phone will be Android Q. I doubt it, because no other Stylo phone has got an update except for the G Stylo and the Stylo 2. The Stylo 3 didn't get Oreo. The Stylo 4 probably might get Pi. The Stylo 5 might get Q, but I'm not banking on the Stylo 5 being Q. I'm not banking on it, because LG don't really update the Stylo phones that much. So if this phone does get Q, it'll be a surprise. If the Stylo 5 does get Q, it'll be a surprise. But it comes with Pi out the box, so not too bad. It does have Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling in Mexico. Playing add-on is required for that, so just keep it in mind. Voice roaming capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Spanish network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. Also, it is mobile hotspot capable, of course, so that is a win. It says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. Varies per plan, so whatever plan you have is the hotspot that you guys will have. So there you have it. Specs on this phone. Like I said, you guys know that the specs on this phone kind of remind me of the Stylo 4 Plus from last year. It has a 3,500 mAh battery. The battery is not removable. You get 21 hours of talk time, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. Expandable up to 2 TB, 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450, Android Pie. You have a 13 megapixel basic detection autofocus rear camera and a 5 megapixel right angle front camera there, right? So not too bad. You do have a 6.2 inch Full HD Plus display, full vision with stylus pen, of course. Your dimensions on the Stylo 5 is 6.34 inches height, 3.9 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Stylo 5 weighs 6.39 ounces, so the front is a bit hefty. Of course, it does have a big battery in there. Your connectivity options, you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, and headphone jack. I'm not sure if it does have fast charging or not. The Cricket version says it is Bluetooth 4.2, so I'm not sure which one is correct. But it's Bluetooth 4.2 probably. but I'm not sure which one, because this one says 5.0 for Bluetooth and the Cricket version says Bluetooth 4.2, so I'm not sure which one is the correct one. Probably like I said, probably Bluetooth 4.2 is probably the correct version for Bluetooth for the Stylo 5 here. Other features, you can create your own emojis, scratch or draw chat messages, or color in the coloring book with the stylus pen. Google AI camera and Google Assistant also featured. So it has a it says the stylus pen, the stylus menu has some great features to it, so that's pretty cool. It does have the coloring book app on here, the draw chat and all that, so that's pretty interesting. So if you guys like the color, this is worth checking out. And what's included in the box is nothing special. Y'all guys get the LG Stylo 5, the charger, SIM card installed, of course, USB-C cable, and the important information booklet. So that's pretty much the standard stuff. And if you guys need help with your Stylo 5, Boost Mobile is here to help you with that, with device support. So if you guys need to learn how to cut on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, set up your email, and all that good stuff, device support can help you with that from Boost Mobile. So if you guys need help with your phone, device support can help you out with anything that you guys possibly need. So check it out if you guys ever need help. So there you guys have it. The LG Stylo 5 is now available at Boost Mobile for $199.99. So that's $30 cheaper than the Cricket version, which they sell it for $229.99. But if you guys get this phone right now, y'all guys can save 20% off this phone using USA 2019 for a limit time. So y'all guys can get this phone for a bit cheaper than what it is. So if you guys want to take advantage of it now. So there you guys have it. The LG Stylo 5 is now available at Boost Mobile, so for $199.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.